We are Carpeteria Carpet One Floor and Home, a third-generation family-owned and operated flooring company who are members of the largest flooring cooperative in the world. We merchandise and install carpet, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and tile. What makes us different? Our work, our passion, our people, and our dedication to our customers and clients. We believe in knowledge and being the best at our profession. That's why we are constantly learning about new trends, products, installation methods, and service skills. We love what we do, and that's why the San Diego community has trusted us with their homes for over 40 years. Stop by one of our 3 showrooms throughout San Diego and let us help you with your next flooring project.